This is a creek. This is a mountain flow coming down at an even level. I'll show you what happens when there's a drop off, an extreme drop off. It's a waterfall, I mean obviously, but it's amazing how close by it can be. Splits off into two over here, and then multiple spots. It looks like it evens out down there for a while. It might get a little flat and then drop off again, and it'll just happen multiple times over and over and over. These are really fun spots to check out. Just literally right down the way, it was completely about a half mile down maybe. I was at a flatland swamp, completely flat. Saw an eagle, possibly something else. I don't know. You guys let me know what you think. One of the best things you can see as a fisherman is osprey or eagles. Wow, look at that. I don't think that's an eagle up there, I'm not sure. It is hovering though. It's probably a buzzard. Very hard to track them, any types of bird. A smaller bird just landed on near that eagle's nest, and it's really got his eye on it. Or her. Looks like we might have something back there too. Watching us. That's some shit. It's a tough call at this distance, but man. If you don't know what the heck you're looking for, you really wouldn't be able to pick that out of a lineup, but you guys know, you see that, right, with the grayish face. I have to get off this land. This is a private property. I don't know who owns this damn swamp. Everybody owns something around here.